Alright, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a 3-drawer toolbox tour. Alright, so basically this is my 3-drawer toolbox. I usually take it when I go do repairs or help out my brother with his vehicles at his house and he can't bring them anywhere. Alright, so top we have half-inch sockets, deepo and or shallow and deep, 3/8, shallow and deep, and then 1/4 inch. Just the ones I usually use. So like was it 6, 7, 8, 9, and then the same thing with the shell. And on this one it starts at 10 all the way to I think 19. Yeah, 19. And the same thing with the top, but I got the 21 right here because I use that for 3/8. And then it starts here at 10 all the way to 24, but it does skip sizes in between because these are all Pittsburgh or Harbor Freight. These are Quinn. These are Cobalt and Quinn, and the impacts 1/2 inch are Pittsburgh. Well, they're all from Harbor Freight pretty much except the Cobalt. And then I have a Performax ratchet from Menards. I'm not sure if they make these anymore, but these extend too. And then I have a swivel. I did have a 3/8, but I lost it, so I only have the 1/4 inch and the 1/2 inch left. Then I have this. This is actually my first ratchet I ever had. Cobalt 3/8. I've had this since I was, I think, 19. Yeah, 19. So long ass time. And I have adapters here. And another 1/4 inch. This is yeah, this is the Chinaman Craftsman. And first drawer, I have a bunch of flatheads and Phillips from Cobalt and Harbor Freight. Pliers from Pittsburgh, Harbor Freight. Then I got these bits for second drawer, wrenches. I bought the wrenches that were missing on this set, so I got from here from 7, I think 7. Yep, 7 to 19, and all the sizes that were missing in between I have here. So like 9 Firestone. And there's 18. 16 and 15, and these are all Master Force from Menards. Last drawer is just a breaker bar, 1/2 inch. I think this is a 15 inch, I'm not positive. And then a pry bar from Harbor Freight too. And yep, that's pretty much my toolbox, 3-drawer toolbox tour. So if you like it, subscribe and comment below. Thank you for watching.